好多人認為寫文章或者寫信最難嘅咧就係識字唔夠，即係 vocabulary 不足。vocabulary 不足咧有兩睇。第一，如果你認為 inform 好過 tell，approximately 好過 about，purchase 好過 buy，commence 好過 begin，assist 好過 help，咁呢種想法咧係錯嘅，因為淺字永遠好過深字。第二點咧要用例句説明啦。The two firms cannot work in association with each other. Work in association with each other 意思就係合作。如果你識得字夠嘅咧，你肯定諗起一個字就係 cooperate。咁樣寫 The two firms cannot cooperate。呢個例説明，如果詞語識得唔夠嘅，你周時會用好多字去表達一個好簡單嘅意念。但係有好多人偏偏認為多字好過少字，佢哋會中意呢一個 work in association with each other 多過單字 cooperate。呢種想法咧係修辭嘅大忌。